Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk. Take off the two holding screws of the outside of the light with a Phillips screwdriver. Unclip the light, separating it slightly from the trunk and then pulling it carefully towards you. To replace the light bulbs on the brake and indicator lights, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise, holding onto the black tab, then remove everything. To replace the bulbs, all you have to do is push down and pivot it a quarter turn to the left. They should pop out thanks to a spring effect. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. To replace the light bulbs on the reversing spotlights, position yourself under the bumper and complete the same operation as for the other bulbs. Operation completed.